Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Cronos the New Dawn game crashing, lagging, not launching, not working, black screen, not loading error on Xbox. So let's go through it. The first method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. For that, open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates option. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin updating process. Once done, launch the game and see if it's working or not. If not, second is to check for Chronos the New Dawn game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and not running on outdated version. The developers of the game releases patches to deal with these kinds of bugs or issues. So make sure you check if there is any update available and then launch the game and see if it's working or not. Next solution is to clear Xbox cache. So deleting the cache of your Xbox can help to tackle the issue. For that, first open settings, then click on system, then storage, then highlight storage device and press Y button on controller for device options. Under it, select clear system cache and at last confirm it by pressing yes. So after clearing the Xbox cache, now check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to check storage space. So for that, press Xbox button, then go to profile and system. After that, click on settings, then system and then storage option. Here check whether there is any available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space, and after that launch the game and see if it helps to fix the issue. Next is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cache data. For that, open settings, then select device and connections. Now select Blu-ray, then select persistent storage, and after that choose clear persistent storage. So once done, check if the problem is resolved or not. Next is to remove and re-add accounts. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. After that, click on settings under profile and system. Then select after that, go to account, then remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove and finally select remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the problem is resolved or not. Next solution is to reinstall Chronos the New Dawn game. So for that, press Xbox button. Now move to my games and apps. Select see all option. Here select Chronos the New Dawn game. After that, press menu button and finally select uninstall option. After the game is removed, open Chronos the New Dawn official website or from where you want to download, and once the game is downloaded, try to launch the game and see if it helps. If not, final solution is to contact support team. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. For that, go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end, and hopefully you can play the game without any further issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.